welcome everyone to the new series of Project Showcase, and you can see here this is a dashboard with the financial informations nicely aligned with the help of flags and grids and everything. So let me begin the demonstrations. Like first and foremost, you can change the different theme of your applications. Like for instance, right now it's green theme, and you can change like purple theme. Every icon and buttons get purple. Similarly, you can change any theme of your desire, so like right now pink, and also you can change the theme from light to dark. Right? How cool is it? Absolutely nice and absolutely insane. So all the source code is linked in the description box. You can check it out and do your everything. You can dig the source code. You can try to understand everything is organized, and also it's built with the help of React. Let me tell you first. Okay, so this was the first thing, and let me show you some more. Let's check. For now, let's select blue theme, and let me show you. Here I have a sidebar. The sidebar here, and you can see here the different themes like pages, which contains submenu. Pages submenu that contains like orders, and all these orders here are fetched from the APIs and mapped and has been displayed over here. So you can check it out, and you can also go forward, backward, also anything. You can navigate to a page. Likewise, the employee section you have here similarly fetched from API and nicely organized in form of table or data. And also the customers. Right now we have no record of customer. So calendar, especially the things you want to do. This calendar is like a mini tools integrated on the system that helps to solve your tasks. Similarly, task schedulers like Kanban, you can draggable. You can manage your draggables, and you can shift your tasks from one place to another. Also, you can edit anything like this is edited. Alright, any status you can change from open, progress, everything you like. This is edited. It was open. Okay. Similarly, I have one editor tools. You can write anything, any text about you like, and also it's like this. It's a package that has been integrated to the system. Similarly, nice color picker with such a nice looking pen design. How cool is it? Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, absolutely beautiful. Also, besides this, the main intention of the project was to create a different chart and visualize your data in form of charts like line chart, areas, and bar charts, pie charts, financials, color mapping, pyramid, and stack. So this was the all about the project showcase video, where these projects can implement the data visualizations or analytics about something that's stored in a database or some backends or some APIs that can be fetched and mapped into a nice content, creating charts and graphs, so it helps to achieve your goals. So this was all about this project showcase. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and it's also the source code. I have already told you, it's a link in description box. Do check it out and try your own. This is built with the help of React, and you can simply run with the help of just typing npm run run strt start on your machine, and you can just do it. So thank you for being tuned up to this channel. See you again.